Costco. It's busy today. Of course, had to get chicken bake. We're eating it properly at a table this time, not in a cart. Grab this cart right here. Thank you. Watch out, baby. Got your waters. We are good to go. And we're in. Ohayou gozaimasu.
Dad.
Been a while since I've been here with both of them. Today's supposed to be just a quick trip, but we'll see about that. Judy said there's some good sales, and we got a lot that we need to buy, girls. Hey, what does mommy want?
Buy some oranges.
Oranges? Guess what? Daddy already bought oranges. What else?
Strawberries.
Strawberries? Okay, let's get strawberries. Alright, this is Judy's list. We got some, ground beef. Got ground beef, avocados, grapefruit, Rao's sauce, okay. Frozen mango, strawberries, cinnamon toast crunch. Who wants cinnamon toast crunch? Okay.
I want Rocky Top.
Also, Judy sent me some sales. I think we're gonna skip those for now. And Kira's asking for frozen dragon fruit. Never seen that. Oh, and frozen pineapples. Do you know what Dole Whip is, baby? I didn't realize Dole Whip is something that got super popular at Disneyland. I think Disneyland bought the rights to it or something like that.
Tomorrow, can we have cereal?
Okay, we'll see. If you have banana, of course. But Dole Whip is basically just a pineapple soft serve. And the first time I ever had it was in Hawaii. Is when me and Judy went there for our, not honeymoon. Was it our honeymoon? I forget. We were just there and then we tried it. And then I saw it at Disneyland and did not realize that's where it got super popular. Anyways, we're going to make our own Dole Whip at home. Super easy. All you need is frozen pineapples. That's it. Girls, are you okay if we go inside the refrigerator? Oh, okay, we got stuck.
Can we get mango?
Mangoes? Okay, we'll see. It's cold!
I'm not cold.
Oh, you're not cold? Okay, good. Good.
Okay, this is what we need.
Oh, this is what we need? Okay, but we gotta double check, okay? Gotta make sure to get the good ones. Let's see if there's any below. Gotta be very discerning when it comes to your strawberries. Gonna be some funky ones. I spot one way back here. Maybe, just maybe. These ones look good. This one, no, this one, baby. Trust me, this is the one right here, okay? We're here to get avocados next, girls. They don't have organic avocados, but that's all good. Let me know when you guys buy fruits and veggies, if you're an avocado fan and you're into organic. If there's no organic, do you buy the conventional? I'm all good buying it. Definitely avocados are one of those things that I feel like has gone up in price. Come on, baby, let's be nice. Say sorry.
Yeah.
Okay, anyways, shrinkflation. That's where they keep the price the same, but the volume or the amount they give is less. And one thing I've noticed is they do that with avocados. The avocados have become smaller. Crazy. They were much bigger back in the day. I've seen less organic as well because obviously that costs more. People are price sensitive. Are you seeing the same thing as me? Definitely shrinkflation. Definitely. My sister just told me shrinkflation's happening in pasta. That's crazy. Our family is on a grapefruit craze right now. This whole bag, there's 6 huge grapefruit in here. $7. Still kind of expensive. That's a 5-pound bag. We'll take it. We like it. Do you guys like grapefruit?
No, we already have grapefruit.
No, we don't, baby. We ate them all. These are really good. My favorite way to eat them, peel them, get all the white off of them, even the membrane in between, and then just eat just the flesh, just the pink part. And even though grapefruit is kind of sour, it's not that sour once you take that membrane off. So it takes more work, and it's good for you.
Daddy, look.
What? Cuties? I know, I already got cuties. Shout out to my favorite chicken broth right here. This Butcher's bone broth right here is freaking bomb. And they've got it. It's organic, good for you. I've been making my own, but obviously if you want to buy it, this is the one to get. Now it's expensive, $10 for 2 small bottles, but you can freeze this and it lasts a while. Hella good. Lately the girls have been, going through it, okay? some puking, some fevers, just some tummy aches. First thing I'm grabbing is not medicine, personally. Judy sometimes gives them medicine when it's appropriate. But I feed them bone broth. It's nature's medicine, for real. Shout out to Butchers. They actually sent me a whole bunch. What? Uh-oh. You know what time it is? Okay. What is going on here? Why do they have these? Valentine's? How do you guys know about Valentine's? 25 heart macarons. That does look good. Vanilla and raspberry. Oh my gosh, girls. Yeah, we're not gonna get this today, but maybe on another day. Okay, tell me, how about this, girls? Italian 4-cheese ravioli. This is pasta.
I like that.
Oh, you like this? I know it is. Southwest style linguine. Yep. All right, let's try it.
I wanted to give it to Bella.
Okay, you want to give it to Bella? Go ahead.
Might be spicy.
All right, thank you very much.
Spicy?
It's not spicy, baby. Go ahead, try it. If it's spicy, I'll eat it. Okay?
No, I don't want it.
It's we call it. It's a little spicy. You want me to eat it? Oh, jeez. It is pretty good, actually. That's my lunch right there. We're gonna go in the refrigerator again. I thought you said you weren't cold.
No, I want to get samples.
Oh, samples? Okay. Legit ran out of butter. Like, completely out of butter. So, whoa, I think this went up in price. $14? This definitely went up in price. Crazy. You guys, am I tripping here? $17 for butter? Okay, this has got to have been a price hike. I am actually in shock right now. That's very expensive. Costco brand butter hasn't gone up, the regular stuff, but the grass-fed stuff from New Zealand, definitely more expensive.
Now I get samples.
Samples? Okay, let's go look for samples, baby. Hawaiian barbecue pork bowl. That sounds hella bomb. With a little bit of like a coleslaw next to it and some rice. That rice ain't looking so hot, but yeah. New takeout meal. Let's look for those free samples. I think I see a lineup for free samples. You want to see something crazy? Hey, don't touch it. Look at this. Look at this. That's crazy. You get all 4 of them, but we're not going to get it. I just wanted to show you. Okay? No, come on. Can you let go? Can you let go, please? Okay. You're not going to buy this because you already got some at home, okay? That's pretty cool. Girls, I am not seeing any free samples today other than what we just... Well, everything okay there? But yeah, can't find it. Okay, Judy said we need some rouse, which might be true and perfect because I'm going to be making lasagna today. Lasagna. Lasagna. This? Unmatched. Now I make my own sauce from scratch. But what? What? Okay, we're gonna have to check out the K-pop Demon Hunters. Anyways, what I was saying is I make my sauce from scratch, but today it's gonna be quick. In fact, I'm gonna do a live stream. So if you haven't seen it, you can go check it out.
I found another K-pop. That's the one we already saw.
This one? Yeah, we've already seen this one. I think I actually bought it, so we got that. Which one are you talking about? Ooh. Oh, it's another one. Oh, this is Shin Ramen Black because it's got beef bone broth. Supposedly it's going to be better for you. Maybe more delicious. I don't know, girls.
Daddy, go there, go there.
Why?
Go to more.
There's more?
Ramen.
Happy? It's just basic ramen, baby. Okay, I am tempted to try this. David Chang's soy and scallion. Look, they actually have little pieces of scallion in there. Ooh, make like a half-boiled egg like that. More green onions in there. That would be hella bomb. I know. That's one of our favorites too. Yes, Leah, I know you want your free samples. Can't find it. Okay, anyways, I haven't been shopping with these girls in a while. Because for obvious reasons. But these girls really wanted to go with me today. And I just had the time to do this. Plus it's a day off from school. So this girl doesn't have school like normal. So I thought I'd bring them. Obviously had lunch, chicken bake. Afterwards though, who is behaving so they can get their smoothie? You guys? Raise your hand if you are. Oh, you are? Okay, you'll definitely get Smoothie. You're behaving too? You're listening to Daddy?
My Smoothie now.
Are you behaving?
Yeah.
You gonna drink this, baby? This girl insists on going to this free sample stand even though I told her it's a health juice. I don't know.
It's good for the kids as well as adults. These are
Can I try one of these?
You sure can. And
Wait.
so it is for kids as well. We are
You-
from Bothell. All our fruits and vegetables are certified organic. There's no artificial colors or sweeteners. One scoop is 4 servings of fruits and vegetables. And
How's that, baby?
superfoods.
You want to try one too?
There's beets and spinach and kale.
I think you would like it, baby.
Good for adults as well.
No.
We're
called-
sampling juice and it
it's
is
called
on sale
juice?
today.
Oh.
Yes, these
it's
are
on
freeze-dried
sale.
fruits and
Oh.
vegetables. Who do you belong to?
Thank you. Hey, gotta give you credit. You did drink it. She saw that stand. I was just assuming it's a health drink. Maybe not. There's your trash right there, baby. Can you drop it in?
I found
There
a
we go.
flash. I got a flash.
Oh, you got a trash? Okay, let's turn around here.
Nemo got me feel.
Go ahead. You got it? Right here. You only have one chance, Bella. One chance. Come on. Come on. Why are you messing with me? Are you for reals? I can't with these girls. I can't. Okay, what is up with this? So, this is the new packaging right here. Organic applesauce pouches. It's like, cool. This is the old packaging. Why'd they go back to it? I was actually saying there is no need to switch this up. Maybe it looked a little bit too generic. Tell me, which one looks better in your opinion? This one or this one? I actually think this one's more straightforward.
I want that one because it looks so yummy.
Because it looks so yummy? Well,
It tastes the same.
it tastes the same. Anyways.
No, I like that one.
You like Go-Go Squeeze?
King 5.
Okay, I know you guys are going to like this right here, okay?
I like it.
Alright, what is this? Rip Fan wafers? You guys can share this one right here. Chocolate wafers. Thank you, Cooper. Hey, share you guys. One each. What do you say?
Thank you.
Alright, how's that? How's that, babe? Is it good? Smells good. Oh, it's on sale too. I like how quiet you girls are, huh? Is that the magic of chocolate right there? This is kind of interesting. So, Kraft Mac and Cheese was on sale last week and it's still on sale. $3 off. I know. But this was not on sale, but it is today. Andy's Variety Pack, white cheddar, the real aged cheddar, classic cheddar, $12.79. $5 off? Okay, that's even better than Kraft Mac and Cheese. We'll take it. It's gonna always be paying attention. Thank you, honey, for giving me a heads up on this. She was the one that saw the app. She got a hold of the Costco app, so she's been getting tempted digitally. One of the strategies of me shopping here is so that Judy doesn't get tempted. Man, that app, she's already done 2 orders and kind of gone to town. Let me check the list so I don't get tempted.
3, 4, 5. I want to play
List. Ground beef got it, avocado's got it, Rao's got it, frozen mangoes. Oh, really? Just frozen mangoes? Really? Yogurt, lots of frozen fruit.
Yogurt might not be on sale.
So you're saying we shouldn't get it? So, I know the girls always like the Chobani, but this is what we've been getting. Better deal, more yogurt, organic, whole milk, A2 organic protein, grass-fed cow. I mean, it's got everything. What?
When it's my birthday, you have to get me.
Okay,
that.
your birthday got you, okay? She doesn't know. Times are tight right now. Food's getting super expensive, baby. We can't afford the Chobani. We got to get the whole milk, the volume play, okay?
How about frozen mango?
Yeah, we're gonna get those next probably. Oh, look at that. Totino's, pizza rolls. Oh my gosh, let me just tell you, that's called heaven. Pizza wrapped up in heaven, okay? $2.50 off. Okay, so that's a good deal here. These single serve pizzas also on sale. Orange chicken's on sale. All these. Let's just say they're all good deals, okay? So, Seahawks, shout out to the 12s. We won. We won a big game. And that game was the NFC Championship. So that means we are going to the Super Bowl, girls. Okay? What you doing? You trying to tell me something here, girl? Speaking of football, these wings, amazing. You found a sample? Okay, let's go check out that sample. So we're going to the big game, and that's cool. So we're gonna go play New England Patriots. So it's kind of like a rematch for us. Oh, this is edamame, girls. You want that still? No? You guys don't want to try? You getting tired now, baby? Yeah, rematch with the New England Patriots. I think it's been over 10 years now. We went to the Super Bowl and we horribly lost to the Patriots because of a very controversial play. Some people said it changed our team. It's like almost a curse, but we get to redeem ourselves. And we're going to be playing in the 49ers stadium, so that hurts. That hurts for you 49er fans. Okay, let's go. Okay, so the girls have been going kind of crazy with smoothies. One of them even asked for this dragon fruit mix. This has passion fruit and mango in addition to the dragon fruit, so we'll get this. This is $11.99 though, girls. Expensive. Cherries? No, we already got cherry actually. Say that again?
I want that.
You have to tell me exactly what you want.
I want the blackberry and the blackberry and the blueberry.
Okay.
And the strawberry.
Oh, strawberry? Let's go get the strawberry for sure, okay? So we make our own strawberry banana smoothie. That's I would say even better than the Costco ones that the girls always have. Probably way healthier too. So I think we're good to go. We can go home now. We got everything we need. Oh, what is that? Is that from us? That's not from us. Did you drop that? What is this? Fire roasted veggies? I have no idea. Where is that from? I have no idea. Okay, we're just gonna kind of put this over here. Okay? Don't know where that goes. Alright, speaking of smoothie, we've been using the Ninja for a couple months now, maybe a month, and we love it. I don't like the blades on it, but it works really well for the price point. We bought it for 75 bucks. And what I mean by the blades is there's like blades all along the core part rather than just having like two, I guess, blades at the bottom. But the kids can use it and it's affordable. As I mentioned, 75 bucks for us, but look at the price today. 60 bucks. That's right. Look at this. $60 right now. We love it. This is what I mean by the blade though. See, there's blades that go all along that center part, which is dangerous. I mean, I think Judy actually cut herself, but it does the trick. It makes amazing smoothies, acai bowls. That's all we've made with it. So yeah, girls love it. Perfect smoothie recipe. Any kind of frozen fruit with frozen banana and fresh banana. If you don't have frozen banana, obviously you can use just fresh banana, but that combo for whatever reason works. Maybe it's because the reason you would freeze bananas because it's overly ripe, and that's when it's going to be the sweetest and it has this kind of creamy texture. But if you can just use frozen, that'll be fine. Just use fresh. Yes, please stop, baby. Okay? Now you know how I feel every single day, baby. I'm immune to it, kind of. Any kind of frozen fruit, frozen banana, fresh banana, water, coconut water even. Kids love it. Great way to get some fruits inside of your diets. Okay, let's go home, baby. Who's a big girl? Who's a big girl? Raise your hand up high if you're a big girl. Okay, all right. Did you say, baby?
What
did you
is
say?
that?
She says she doesn't like my pizza. Why would you say that? It doesn't help your situation at all. If you want a smoothie, you gotta be nice to me. You gotta be like, I love your pizza, daddy. Trip cost us under 100 bucks. Specifically $98, so we'll take it. There you go. There were some deals today. It's supposed to be kind of a short trip anyways. I'll be back here soon.